Welcome to our channel. Today, we talk about the 2027 Ocean Titan Land Yacht Motorhome. So our target is 1,000 subscriber, so hit the subscribe button. Let's dive in. Exterior. The exterior of the 2027 Ocean Titan is a masterclass in architectural dominance and aerodynamic elegance. Draped in a striking nautical blue and Arctic white finish, the body is a massive three-story structure that challenges the very definition of a vehicle. As you can see, this Titan is built on a heavy-duty multi-axle chassis featuring 10 specialized wheels designed to support its immense weight while maintaining a smooth, vibration-free ride. The design is breathtaking, featuring multiple glass-walled levels that resemble a modern luxury villa overlooking the Mediterranean. Massive wraparound panoramic windows offer 360-degree views from every floor, while the tiered skydeck architecture includes multiple balconies and outdoor terraces finished in real marine-grade teak. One of the most insane features is the integrated LED lighting system that traces the sharp geometry of the hull, making it look like a glowing beacon on the road at night. With its motorized side-access stairs and a retractable rear garage for a supercar, this land yacht looks less like an RV and more like a private island that can travel at 80 miles per hour. Full interior. Step inside through the grand glass atrium and you are immediately welcomed into the Sovereign Sanctuary, a world of deep sea blue velvet, white Italian marble, and brilliant golden accents. Kitchen. The culinary center is a chef's dream, featuring a massive white marble island with integrated invisible induction surfaces and gold-plated fixtures. It is equipped with a full-size professional range, a walk-in wine cellar with a 200-bottle capacity, and custom lacquer cabinetry that provides a striking contrast against the polished stone floors. Washroom. The Azure Spa is a sanctuary of textured stone and glass, featuring a walk-in rainfall shower with a built-in steam function and color therapy lighting. The vanity is a single piece of carved obsidian, and the smart mirrors integrate biometric health tracking and a 24-inch infotainment display for your morning routine. Bedroom. Spread across the second level, the Imperial Suites feature king-size memory foam mattresses with integrated cooling systems and zero-gravity tilt. Each bedroom is a private glass pod, allowing you to wake up to panoramic views of the mountains or the ocean without leaving the comfort of your 1,000 thread count Egyptian cotton sheets. LED screen view. Integrated into the main living atrium is a monumental 120-inch wraparound micro-LED wall. This screen functions as a digital canvas, projecting 12K panoramic landscapes or transforming the entire three-story lounge into a private IMAX theater for the ultimate movie night. Sofas view. The primary social areas feature lounge-class modular sofas wrapped in plush blue velvet and white diamond-stitched leather. These sofas feature active contouring bolsters, hot stone massage functions, and integrated haptic feedback that syncs with the vehicle's audio system to make you feel every beat of the music. Swimming pool top of the floor. Head to the highest level to find the crown jewel, an infinitely heated obsidian infinity pool. Surrounded by a synthetic teak deck and integrated amber floodlights, this pool uses a gyroscopic stabilizer to keep the water perfectly level even while driving through winding mountain passes, offering a swimming experience 15 feet above the ground. Steering wheel and dashboard. Finally, the cockpit is a tech lover's paradise. The dashboard is a single massive hyperscreen display that integrates 360-degree thermal vision and AI-assisted navigation. The steering wheel is a race-inspired yoke with haptic touchpads, putting the power of this $15 million empire right in your palms. Performance. Underneath the nautical blue skin lies a quad-motor hydrogen-electric powertrain, delivering a combined 2,500 horsepower and 22,000 pound-feet of torque. This enables the 2027 Ocean Titan to pull its massive 3-story structure with effortless grace, reaching cruising speeds with the silence of a ghost. It features independent 10-wheel steering for precision maneuvering in tight spaces and a specialized active-level hydraulic suspension that ensures your champagne never spills. With its high-capacity fuel cells and solar reclamation roof, this rig provides an incredible 1,000 miles of range, making it the ultimate off-grid fortress for global explorers. Current 2026 pricing. A 3-story mansion with an infinity pool and a glass elevator is reserved for the absolute peak of the world's elite. For those placing orders in 2026 for the 2027 delivery, the Ocean Titan land yacht starts at a base price of $11,500,000. However, the Admire Edition we've explored today, with the full marble interior, the rooftop infinity pool, and the 2,500 HP powertrain upgrade, carries a final price of $15.2 million. It is a massive investment, but for a vehicle that is literally a mobile estate, there is simply no competition. The 2027 Ocean Titan land yacht is a bold statement that you don't have to choose between a mega yacht and the open road. It proves that you can have a 3-story master suite, an infinity pool, and an elevator in one stunning package. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the world's most expensive mobile home, hit that subscribe button and join the Motorhome Apex family for more. Drop a comment below. Would you live in this land yacht full-time? Until next time, stay legendary and we'll see you on the road.